Hey everyone, so I am here with Josh Flagg of Bravo's $1 Million Listing Los Angeles. We were just talking about everything real estate design, what goes into the home and how to improve it to keep value. What would you say is your top 5 tips as far as how to sell a home?
I mean, we start with the kitchen, obviously. That's the most important. That's the place where people spend most of their time, actually. You know, the kitchen, family room area. So that's number one. And then, of course, you know, I would say exterior-wise, landscaping is key. No one wants to buy a house with ugly landscaping.
Right.
Paint, obviously very important. And then you get into things like, you know, your bathrooms in the house, and the primary bathroom is probably the most important. You know, in terms of resale value, people look at the kitchen and the bath. That's really what they look at the most.
Right, absolutely. Like obviously outdoors, going indoors, you know, there's all different skills as far as what the condition of the home is, but adding that luxury element is really important.
Yeah, and of course then you have hardwood floors, things like that. And the key is really to do everything at one time instead of hodgepodge and do a little here, a little there. That's really the most important thing. Obviously, if that's not in your budget, then you do what's most important to you.
And it's so important. Here at the Home Show, you know, we have all different elements of home design that are luxurious, one of a kind, but also for the masses as well.
No, it's great. You got everything here. You can build a house from this place.
No, without a doubt. And that's really what it's about. It's a one-stop shop destination to make sure that we're delivering the homeowner's experience. I can't thank you enough for being here.
My pleasure.
Your tips, your information. Obviously, I mean, you're not a leading broker in the country for just no reason.